of the day.
Fit check. Wow.
The rain's vintage.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's another room. Oh no. That's so cute. Okay. Oh god. You did it. I was looking at the wrong spot. Oh, the trials of a film camera.
I mean, it'll turn out somewhat nice.
It was really nice. The lighting was good. It'll be fun.
Financially, it's a great property.
Oh my god. It's so cold. My hand's like shaking. I can't hold it. Whew. It's so cold. We got rained on and it's so cold, but it's such a nice day out. I mean, other than the part that I got rained on, but it's okay. You know, my hair was wet already because I just had a shower, so it's fine. Honestly, like as soon as we were out of the rain, it stopped raining, which is very annoying because we'd gotten completely drenched. It was like very heavy rain for the part that we were actually outside, so that was unfortunate. It's game day. It is now Saturday. I'm wearing a new jumper. I know it's very Christmassy. You can barely see it, but it's very Christmassy even though it is July. And I mean, I could have just waited until December, but I was so excited when I bought it today that I had to wear it today. I am not in team colors, but it's okay. Oh, I've got a pimple coming in. Not that you can see it, but trust me, it's there. And it's been bothering me all day.